You want that phone?
Yes.
Okay.
Why are you asking me?
I'm just asking because you use an older phone. What?
I
Hey, Beth, I need your help with something.
Can I make faces?
Can you make faces?
I can't see myself.
Huh?
I can't see me.
Can you see yourself now?
No. No, you're in the way.
Can you see yourself now?
Yeah.
I want you to open something.
Yeah.
And I want your honest opinion on what it is, and I want to get your feedback on it.
I'm cold.
So, go ahead and open the box up. There's a little tab.
This?
On the side. Yep, and pull it down. This is the Apple experience. Pull it down.
Oops.
Open it up.
Oh. Do I get to keep this?
You get to keep this. We'll talk about that in a minute.
Yeah.
So what's your first impressions?
I love it. Can I put the screen?
Huh?
Can I?
Yep, you can take that off. Just for comparison, I brought Mommy's phone down.
Mommy's
Now, Mommy's phone is also,
fake phone.
it's an also,
Fake phone. It's almost the same because this one's darker and this one's lighter, and that has a different casey thingy out for the lenses.
what do you think about the stuff you get in the box?
Let me see. What are these? Oh, this is the charging cord. Anything else?
I don't know, you tell me, you're the one looking in the box.
Is this supposed to come out? No.
What do you think about the stuff that you got inside the box?
I like it because you get an Apple sticker and then whatever this is, what is that?
That's just information about why it's product rated.
And then stuff, and I like this, and I like that you get an extra charging cord.
Well, what if this was the first iPhone you've ever gotten? So that would be your first cord, right? So how would you charge it?
I don't know. They don't include the little charging cube.
Do you think they should?
Yes. How much are the charging cord blocks by themselves?
$20, $30.
$30, okay. I like that this one has a lighter color than the 13. This camera is a little bit thicker than this one.
Your first impressions looking at the screens between the two of them. You can pick them up and look at them if you want to.
Yay.
Do they look the same as far as brightness and contrast color? Like the stuff on the bottom bar is the exact same.
That one seems brighter.
It seems brighter. Is it noticeably brighter?
Not from the naked eye.
No. Okay. So pick them up and hold them for me.
Both of them at the same time.
One in each hand.
This one's this one's heavier. Not by a lot though.
Do you think someone like Mommy, if she had the iPhone 13, would want to get the 14 just by what you've looked at so far?
No, because they're pretty much the same, just a little bit of differences.
You hear that, Apple? The iPhone 14 is $799.
$799.
And the iPhone 13
iPhone 13?
is $699. I want you to go ahead and take a selfie with each of the phones. Well, I'll look at Mom's while you do that. Okay, put that one down. Do the exact same thing with the other one. Same exact picture. Okay. Now go ahead and put them side by side. Tell me if you can see a big difference.
That one and that one look almost the same now.
Okay, are there any differences?
Let me see. Do you see a difference?
I see a little bit of a difference between the two of them, yeah. I think they generally both look good. But I'm asking you, does one look brighter than the other, or
That one looks brighter.
more colorful than the other
This one.
That's more colorful?
This one.
Okay.
Definitely.
Now what I want you to do is go back to the cameras, so hit the back buttons. And I want you to take a picture of me with each camera.
I'm gonna do Mama's first.
Okay. So, do you see a difference between those two?
That one's more yellowish-ish,
Mm-hmm.
and that one's more whitish.
Okay, so you think that there's more color, it's a little warmer?
It's warmer, that's the word. And then that
a
one's
little colder?
colder.
Okay, alright. So do the pictures as far as sharpness and everything look good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Which is more pleasing to your eye?
This one.
you like the more the more natural one. It's not as warm.
And the sideways, because that one's less blurry than that one.
Okay.
Because I'm looking at your hand right there. That hand is blurry and that hand is not blurry.
I want you to pick up each phone and swipe and go into an app and tell me if the experience feels any better, faster, slower, the same. You notice any difference? Pick one phone up and swipe back and forth. Your overall opinion of the difference between the 13 and the 14.
To some people, people wouldn't really be that worth it because they're technically the same phone.
Mm-hmm. Am I bothering you?
No.
Do you have things to do?
No.
Okay.
Okay. But we can finish.
Oh, gee, thanks. I appreciate that.
Are you filming me?
I am filming you.
Yay!
Tell me what you like about the iPhone 14.
It's lighter. The camera quality is a little bit better.
Now, if someone had an older phone,
Phone,
Nanny,
they
or
would.
like you have an iPhone 6.
I have an iPhone 6.
6S?
6S.
Okay.
And
do you think you would want to upgrade to that?
Yes.
So you want that phone?
Yes. Why are you asking me?
I'm just asking because you use an older phone.
I don't know.
You're not getting that phone.
We already have it though.
Why would I buy you an $800 phone? You're 10 years old. Do you think you need an $800 phone?
Yeah.
No.
Are you sure?
Hmm?
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure? They're both good phones.
Okay. So someone would still be happy if they had the 13.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Or the 14, both. My answer is both.
Well, thank you for helping me.
Okay.
I really appreciate it.
Okay.
We're going to do some other stuff with it, too. We're going to compare it to Mama's phone. So that's coming up. So make sure you subscribe for that. And turn on what?
Turn on the notification.
You're funny.
Dang. I need to say something to you.
What are you doing?
You'll see. I'll be right back. Mom.